Neymar is Brazilian. He was born in Sao Paulo. He lived in Brazil until he was 21. When he was 21, he left Brazil and moved to Spain. He moved to Spain to play for Barcelona. But he didn't stay for very long. In 2017, he moved to France to play for Paris Saint-Germain. Where did Neymar live when he was a child? Pause the video and think about your answer. That's right, he lived in Brazil. Does he live in Brazil now? No, he lives in France. He used to live in Brazil before he moved to Spain. Which team did Neymar play for in Spain? He played for FC Barcelona. Does he play for Barcelona now? No, he plays for Paris Saint-Germain. He used to play for Barcelona before Paris Saint-Germain offered lots of money for his transfer. Did Neymar speak French when he was a child? No, he only spoke Portuguese. Does he speak French now? Yes, he does. But he didn't used to speak French before he moved to France. We use used to talk about things which happened in the past, which no longer happen now. For example, Neymar used to live in Brazil, now he lives in France. We also use used to talk about things which didn't happen in the past, that happen now. For example, Neymar didn't used to speak French, but now he does. Did you notice the form? Like any regular verb in the past simple, in the affirmative, we add a D. In the negative, we use the infinitive. And in the question form, the same. We use the infinitive. We do not add a D. Goodbye from Neymar, or should I say, au revoir.